Sewpoer SP-787-R600 cylinder bed interlock sewing machine with right side fabric cutter, fabric guider lifter mechanism, stable fabric guidance, and convenient operation. The well-designed outer arc streamlined cover, which is convenient and quick to operate. The body-forming open-tap suction tube can be installed easily. Fast fabric waste handling. Back towing unit, RPA gear, RPB flat wheel. More stable fitting by extending the lower roller length. The machine's speed won't disturb the stitch length. The newly designed roller carriage makes a roller closer to the needle plate and rests more stably.